You searched how to buy shares of Gubra A, and in this short tutorial, we will walk through the practical steps. Gubra is a Danish biotech company focused on metabolic research, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker Gubra CO. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker Gubra.co to find the company listing. Make sure you select the CBOE EU result to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company details and inspect the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the page shows Gubra A/S and the Gubra.co ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares, then carefully review the order parameters and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you add money before confirming. After execution, your Gubra position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring and management. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow these same steps.